Are you having trouble in the classroom getting your students engaged? Are students kind of bored in your classroom? Well, I have a way that can help, and that's infusing sustainability in your activities. I teach mathematics, and it can be a really difficult subject to teach, but using sustainability can engage students. So my activity, real quickly, is looking at polar bear populations, and you notice that it goes up and goes down. It's actually a quadratic equation. And what we're going to do in this activity is we're going to plot, we're going to look at the data, we're going to use a graphing calculator, find out that quadratic equation, be able to estimate population based on years, be able to look at population and estimate what year that may happen. And we can look at what year in population did we have the most polar bears. And we can also look at possible extinction dates, when that would happen. And maybe we can have a good discussion on ways to prevent that or things we can do. And also we'll look at the environmental, social, and economic impacts, the 3 pillars. Hope they like it.